+277 315 82436. Mulani Operators & Welding Training School. We are a practical skills training institute based in Germiston, Johannesburg Rustenburg, South Africa. We are fully registered and we +277 315 82436. Mulani Operators & Welding Training School. Call us on +27 70 315 82436. Email the school mulani_operators@yahoo.com. Mulani Training Center is committed to high quality in further education and training, meeting the needs and expectations of learners. For information, cell Abdul 073 158 2436. Email mulani_operators@yahoo.com. Lifting machines operations are forklift, 5 days training, reach truck, 10 days training, mobile crane, 10 days truck mounted crane, 10 days overhead crane, 10 days Scoope, 1 days training, welding practice, 2 to 4 weeks arc, 2 weeks training co, 2 weeks training STELL welding, 2 weeks construction plant operative 0 and include Dumptruck, 10 days training front end loader, 10 days TLB, 10 days and tower crane, 10 days grader and excavator, 10 days bulldozer, 10 days professional driving, driver's license code 8, code 10 and code 14 Hascom, dangerous goods, 3 days and first aid, OS rigid vehicle bus driving, 30 days combined rigid vehicle truck driving, 30 days. Tell 073 15 82436. Accommodations also available for students. No matter where you are, just call for details as well as appointment. Find us Germiston, Johannesburg, South Africa. Lefelo, Messina, Tzaneen, Burgersfort, Mokopane NB. We offer job assistance after training course. Get better skills to succeed in future. Contact info address President CNR Spilsberg STR Germiston 1401 Johannesburg Gauteng Province South Africa. Tel